Hi, my name is Sandhya. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we are preparing a super easy pulao using soya chunks. This can be a great recipe for lunch boxes and is a one-pot recipe. So when you're on the lookout for a simple but easy pulao recipe, you can try this. The ingredients list is given in the description box below. Do not forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, share and comment on my channel. So let's move into the video. So I've done all the prep work and kept it ready so that we can quickly make the soya pulao. So let's start. I've boiled 1 cup of water and into that I'm going to add salt to taste. Now into this boiling water, we'll add the soya chunks. Now let the soya chunks cook in the water for 2 to 3 minutes. You can do this in the microwave as well. So the soya chunks have cooked for 2 to 3 minutes. You can switch off the heat and then keep it aside for it to soak. So meanwhile, I've taken a pressure pan and put it on the flame, added some oil and heated it. Now I'm going to add some cumin seeds into this and let it brown for some time. Once the cumin seeds are browned, we'll add in soaked and drained basmati rice. I'm adding long grain basmati rice here and then saute it for a few seconds. Now I'm going to add in garam masala, red chilli powder, salt, turmeric, grated ginger and coriander powder into this. Mix everything well into the rice. Now it's time to add the finely chopped tomatoes, green peas, some finely chopped coriander leaves and give a nice mix. Now let's add the soya chunks which has soaked all the water into this mixture. Mix well once again. And now it's time to add the water. I'm adding 2.5 cups of water here. Mix everything well. At this stage, you can check the seasoning. That is, if you need to add salt, you can add it at this stage. Now I'm going to cover this and cook it on high flame for 2 whistles. So after cooking it for 2 whistles, I've allowed the pressure to release completely before opening the pressure cooker. Now I'm going to use a fork and just fluff the rice nicely. And the pulao is ready to be served. So you can make this a lunchbox recipe. So do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.